New MG ZS-EV revealed. This low-cost competitor to the Kia Soul EV and Peugeot E2008 has a fresh design, an upgraded infotainment system, and a new longer-range model with a range of up to 273 miles. The faux grille on the front has been replaced by a single-piece front bumper with sharper LED headlamps. A new set of alloy wheels completes the cosmetic alterations. Though the original MG ZS-EV's basic form and design cues are kept, this upgraded model has a more modern appearance. The car contains a 72 kWh battery pack that, according to MG, will provide 273 miles of range between charges. That's a significant increase over the previous car's 163-mile range. This will also support 76 kW DC rapid charging, which will allow the battery to be charged from 0% to 80% in 42 minutes. The ZS-EV will also be available in a 51 kWh, 198-mile version next year. This is the new infotainment system, which features a 10.1 inches touchscreen and brand new software. This is reported to have improved visuals and functionality like sending automobile information. The base C model comes with keyless entry, dual-zone temp control, and a reversing camera as standard equipment. You can upgrade to a panoramic glass roof, heated leather seats, and wireless phone charging. In November 2021, the new MG ZS-EV will be available for purchase. It starts at £28,495 plus £2,500 for the government's plug-in car grant and goes up to £31,495 for the top-of-the-line variant.